Anyways, can I say, man, Taylor's toast? I ain't got a brag, ain't got a boast. I ain't made it yet, but Taylor don't boast.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. We got another video here in the garage. To show you guys a little secret that I didn't think I would do a video on, right? But now I'm gonna do the video on it, and we're back at Brent's garage here. And I'm sure you guys don't know what it is, right? But I think it's a pretty cool addition. It's a little bit of money here and there, you know, like everything else is on this car. But hey, before I show you, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings to everybody. Stay at your grind, always. So let me show you all what's going on, and then I'll show you. So, back again here, working on the engine bay. Brent is here. Very busy today.
Why did they put it on the bottom?
And
who put this can in for you?
I did. I put that can in.
You put the spring tip on upside down and now I'm pissed off.
Really?
Yeah.
You gotta take that off too? Alright, but anyways, took the cover off. The normal OEM Honda Type R cover, took it off because I'm gonna show you what's going on here. See this? That's right, y'all. Jay's Racing valve cover. Comes with a brand new gasket, which is right there. It's under it. But yeah. This their daughter's car? Look at that. Jay's Racing. So we're gonna put that in today, and then this will be ready for dyno day this Saturday. And yeah, y'all, finally going back on the dyno. Let's pray, right? Pray for not another flop, and run solid numbers. Hopefully 387 to 405 is definitely the goal on the stock fuel. So no flex fuel, no Honda fuel kit, nothing like that. Just stock fuel on a stage 2 variable tune, full bolt-on Type R besides the fuel, and obviously not the P600 turbo yet. So we're gonna see what it makes, and I'm gonna take you guys along the ride. Obviously, you know, I'll probably do a video with the drive up there, and then when it gets on the dyno, I'll do that too. But yeah, all right, y'all, stay tuned. I'll be right back.
It's on the floor now. There we go. One valve cover.
There we go. There it is. You already got the valve cover off. What did that take? 6 minutes, 8 minutes, something like that?
So we are missing 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts.
All right.
No.
So, you guys, the valve cover, the bolts are right here. See, look, as you can see.
Watch out.
There's one. They didn't fall in the engine, right?
They might have. There's one right there. There's no way in hell I'm touching the camshafts right now.
Oh, if you start the car, that shit's gonna blow up.
No, it's not. It's gonna squirt oil straight up in the air.
What happened?
We bought an aftermarket valve cover.
Yep. Jay's Racing.
Bolts. Actually, I dropped 4 bolts.
I see you using magnets to the tires.
All right, y'all. So this is the OEM valve cover from Honda, right? Here's the Jay's Racing. So everything transfers over here. The ballot's on here right now, but as you can see, look, it does not fit 100% because when I take it off, take it off here real quick. I'll show you guys. All right, the ballot. Look how much thicker it is, right? So watch it. The good news is I have the Jay's Racing oil cap coming. Obviously it's the JDM weight bullshit, so it takes forever to get here. but that's almost here, so hopefully get it sooner than later. But Brandon, you said I have to use the stock one for now, right?
Yeah, it's too
this
deep,
one,
it won't go down and seal.
see, it's not sealing, you guys. He's right, look at that. What the? Oh my god, there's always a problem, bro. I'm telling you. Alright, well, I'll put the stock one on when I get home. So I gotta drive from here to home, and then I'll just put the stock one on real quick. Yeah, okay. So I got the Jay's Racing oil cap coming, and then the Jay's Racing brake reservoir cover. So it will replace the HKS with the black, right? Jay's Racing. So get that done as well. But just want to give you guys that update. Win some, we lose some, right? The cover looks dope as shit, but that's not cool about that oil cap, Ballad. I'll be reaching out to you, man. I'll be back to you guys.
We'll make a crazy ass leak.
All right, so you guys, I honestly I thought I could do this install myself, but hell no. There's
He
a
was
lot
sadly
more involved into it.
mistaken.
Big time mistake.
I'd have got a phone call saying, "Hey, I tried to do this valve cover myself, and now I can't. I'm fucking stuck, bro. I need my car. Can you come help me out?"
10:30 at night. Yeah, that's something I would do, huh?
I'd do it, but we can go into Home Depot with your credit card. That's for sure.
Right.
Because I can't get in here past 10 o'clock. I mean, past 9
But here's
o'clock.
what it looks like, guys. Jay's Racing valve cover. Is it clashing with the red? You tell me in the comments. Brent says it is.
Yes.
He says it's just too much going on with the red.
Turquoise boy.
The whole object was for this to offset right here, which it is.
As long as you're happy with it, doesn't matter what anybody else thinks.
Right. But the red over here might be clashing a bit. So I might be trading this out for black, that out for black, and then the race map to somebody that has black. So that would go a lot better for sure. But damn, when you step back though, yo, I think that looks fire with all the red right there. It's just when you're up close and you're looking at it. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments what you think. Love or hate it, let me know. But yeah, that's it. That is the valve cover. Let's put the oil cap on for right now. Right here. Okay. And then we gotta put the plugs in, obviously, right? We'll put those in. Yeah. So that's what it looks like with the Ballad right now. It goes pretty nice, to be honest with you. But I do have the Jay's Racing oil cap, you guys, coming up. That should be here hopefully next week. Hopefully. And then, like I said, the Jay's Racing brake reservoir cover. So we sell this and sell that in a bundle, $50. Oil cap from Ballad and the HKS brake reservoir cover. Yep. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna clean this engine up a little bit before dyno day, and we should be good to go. But all right, check back to you guys in just a moment. I'm gonna put these plugs in, and then we'll do the final thoughts. Much love, y'all. All right, y'all, here's the finished product. Jay's Racing valve cover. Sheesh. Look at that, put the light on. You guys can see it all up and close. Up and close, right there. Gotta switch this out real quick. But there it is, guys. Sweet, sweet. I think it looks good. Again, in the comments, let me know if it clashes with the red or does it look good with all the red. Because we got the 3.5 right there from Rampage red, Mishimoto red, the strut bar's red, the oil catch can's red, the blue's over there, that looks good with that. The red battery tie down, Serimoto red, you feel me? The radiator hoses, and I think this just really brings it all out and just offsets everything. So I like it. I really like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And yeah, turn this off real quick. With that all being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. This is Skylyfe Projects. Until next time, which is coming up really close for Dyno Day, y'all see another video. Till next time, guys.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounding. Fill my cup up for the